Welcome to the Advenio video series. Today we'll take a quick walk through the Advenio installation process so that you can see how easy it is to begin tracking your visitors with Advenio. Before we do the installation, however, there are some prerequisites that need to be met. First, and most importantly from an installation point of view, is the Microsoft .NET Framework 2.0. If you don't have the Framework 2.0 installed on the machine you plan to use for Advenio, it will not install correctly and it will not run correctly. So you'll need to go to www.microsoft.com and search for .NET Framework 2.0 in the download area. We will also have a future video in this video series to show you how to do that. Secondly, you're going to need a label printer. We've been using the Dymo Label Writer 400 Turbo, and in fact that's the only product we've used to test the Advenio system. Now you don't need the printer in place in order to do the Advenio installation, but once Advenio is installed you will certainly need the printer in order to use it. The printer will not be configured correctly at its own installation, nor will it be configured correctly after the installation you'll see here. So we will again have another video in this video series to show you how to correctly configure your Dymo printer to work with Advenio. Lastly, you'll be needing to run on a Windows XP, a Windows Vista, or a Windows 7 computer. The demonstration you'll see today will take place on Windows Vista, but the installation process will be very similar on the other operating systems. So let's begin. To get to this screen, I've gone to www.turningpost.com/Advenio, and I've downloaded the Advenio package. From that downloaded software, I've double-clicked on the setup.exe file. And that has brought me here. It has launched the Advenio Setup Wizard, and this is the introductory screen to that wizard. This screen simply tells us that we're going to do the installation for Advenio and asks us if we want to continue. We do, so we will click Next. This screen asks us where we want to place the Advenio files on your computer. It's best to stick with the default prompts. So in this case, we will install Advenio to C:\program files /turningposttech/Advenio. We will also keep the prompt of installing Advenio for everyone. If this is not defaulted for you, go ahead and choose everyone to install it that way, and then click Next. This screen asks you to review and agree to the licensing agreement. At the time of this demonstration, the agreement has not been written yet, but it certainly will by the time you make your purchase. So this screen will show you the text of that agreement, ask you to read through it, and when you're ready to continue, you need to explicitly agree by clicking on the I agree button. Then we can click Next. Lastly, we just get the confirmation screen. This asks us if we're ready to go. This is the last stop before the files are actually placed on your computer. Now when I click the Next button, there's going to be a slight lag. The reason for the lag is that Vista is going to search for administrative rights, and it will bring up a dialog box to me to ask me if I want to continue or if I want to cancel. You will not see that on the video, so it's going to be just a minute before the installation process happens. So I will go ahead and click Next. Having given Vista administrative authority to do the installation, you can see that it did so very quickly, and Advenio is now ready to go. Again, the printer is not, so look for a future video to show you how to configure the printer to work with Advenio. For more information, go to www.turningpost.com/Advenio. Thank you.